Hi, hello, how are ya? Chef Kennedy here. I did a poll on Instagram to see what you would love to see from me in 2021. The crowd has spoken. And by crowd, I mean like 2 people. So today I'm gonna share an easy and healthy 30-minute meal. In this video, I'll show you how to make a creamy polenta with roasted broccoli rabe and a white bean pan sauce. I had a polenta pun I was working on, but it's too corny. Okay, this is everything you'll need for the polenta today. And we're gonna start by trimming the ends of the broccoli rabe, tossing it with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Give that a toss and place it on a cast iron skillet or a parchment lined sheet tray. We're gonna roast this at 425 for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to flip it halfway through. Now for the polenta, bring 4 cups of stock and 1 teaspoon of salt to a boil. Now that the broccoli rabe is done, place it into a bowl and set it aside. Once your stock has boiled, add in 1 cup of your polenta, and it's getting steamy in here. Cook this on medium to low heat for about 10 minutes. Time for a dance break. Okay, for the pan sauce, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the cast iron with 1 shallot sliced. Cook that for about 2 minutes. Add in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. Then give that a mix. Cook it for 1 minute. Now we're gonna deglaze the pan with a 1/4 cup of white wine. Add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and allow that alcohol to cook off for about 2 minutes. Now we're gonna add in our white beans, a 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of tamari, and just heat that through. To finish our polenta, we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, a 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and just give that a nice mix. Oh yeah. For the plating, we'll take some polenta in the bowl and then lovingly place our roasted broccoli rabe over top, just like that. Now we can add on our white beans, just draping across the polenta and the broccoli rabe. Make sure to get some of that sauce on there. Yum. Okay, so here we have our 30-minute meal, and I'm so excited to give it a try. Gonna get a little piece of everything in here. I love how savory and full of flavor everything is. That roasted broccoli rabe is so interesting. It kind of like cuts a bit of the bitterness and then has some crunchy bits, but still maintains like the essence of broccoli rabe. And that creamy polenta, so good. Also, if you have any leftover polenta, make sure to save it, chill it. You can make polenta fries, you could grill it. So versatile. Well, I hope you enjoyed this easy, healthy 30-minute meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe. From my kitchen to yours, Chef Kennedy out.